I seem to forget occasionally to take my medicine on time.
I take medications all day, at least 8 times a day, and it's very hard to remember to take it because you get busy.
Because my husband occasionally forgets to take his medication.
After breakfast, take 5 white and 1 pink pill with a glass of water.
Dad, after breakfast, take 5 white and 1 pink pill with a glass of water.
Say, keep reminder or record again.
Keep reminder.
Please tell me the time the reminder should play, including AM or PM.
8:30 a.m.
8:30 a.m. Is this correct?
Yes?
Is this reminder for today only?
No?
Tell me the day of the week or say every day.
Every day.
The reminder will play every day at 8:30 a.m. Is this correct?
Yes?
Goodbye.
Dad, after breakfast, take 5 white and 1 pink pill with a glass of water. Dad, after breakfast, take 5 white and 1 pink pill with a glass of water.
Reminder off.
The reminder is off for today.